How to change font style in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and you will see the option for display and brightness. Tap on that and then tap on the text size option you see there and simply drag the slider to make your text larger or smaller based on your preference. You can then go back and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for bold text if you want the fonts to appear thicker and easier to read. For more advanced text customization, go back to settings homepage and then tap on the accessibility option you see there. Then tap on the display and text size option. Now, under the display and text size option, you will find additional options like larger text or button shapes or increased contrast. These tools are especially useful and great for personalized iPhone display. You can then go ahead and explore the font style, so go back to settings and then scroll down and select the general option you see there. Further scroll down again and then tap on the fonts option, and any additional fonts that you have downloaded from the App Store will appear under the My Fonts tab. If not, then you can also simply tap on the fonts option you see there and you will be shown with all the fonts that Apple has to offer to you. Make sure that Apple does not currently allow a full system-wide font change on iOS. And if you want to type with different fonts, then you can simply go back to settings and then tap on accessibility. Here, scroll down and tap on the keyboard option and then tap on the hover typing option and toggle it on. Once enabled, you will find the option for font. Here you can simply go ahead and select a preferred font, and now whenever you open keyboard or apps that supports keyboard, then you will notice your typing now uses the font style that you just chose. Make sure that this will not change your entire iPhone system font, but it is just great for adding a touch of personalization while typing. And this was about how you can change font style in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.